distance or anything like that, then we try to be as careful as possible, but you know,
Right.
it can still happen. So it's gonna be, you know, it's always one of those things that we just prepare for. We always do a cross match and that kind of thing, so that if she needs a transfusion, then we can give it to her. But if we start doing that stuff, then that's gonna add up. Okay.
Right.
But you know, I think I've done maybe like 4 in my residency, and they've all gone well. And there's gonna be a board certified surgeon in there as well.
Okay.
And so, you know,
Which, I mean, she's worked, you know.
I've been a vet
in
tech for over
offices.
30 years.
Yeah. Okay.
You know, I've been through this with my parents
Yeah.
and hospitals and all that
Yeah.
stuff, so we know there's risks, we know going in that, you know, there is a possibility that anything can happen.
Mm-hmm.
But we also want to try to give her, you know, the best and longest life
Yeah.
possible. So I mean, you're good.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
we have to do it.
Right,
If we don't do it, then by a year they're usually, and if you'll be lucky if she makes it to a year.
Right.
But yeah, if we don't do anything, then I can guarantee you she's gonna develop congestive heart failure. And it sounds like she already has.
Yes,
Yes.
And that
yes.
doesn't mean, it doesn't necessarily decrease the prognosis. You know, once we get her out of heart failure with the medications and all that, you know, we wouldn't do surgery while she was in heart failure, because she obviously wouldn't be such a great anesthetic candidate.
Right.
But it sounds like she's doing okay right now, so it's just a matter of getting the money.
Right.
So what I would suggest you guys do is go to the front desk as soon as we're done in here, and then just schedule an appointment for the first available. And then, you know, if it's way too far in the future, then we'll try and figure something out so that you guys can come here sooner. But how long do you think you'll need to get the money?
We're hoping to have it within 2 weeks.
Okay.
2 to 3-ish.
Okay. So
We have some things lined up
Yeah.
that we've already started on, but we need the paper estimate, we need the diagnosis, et cetera, because this is going through rescue.
Yeah.
Because that's what we do.
Yeah.
So we're having to follow our steps to be able to get, say, grants and fundraisers and stuff like that. So we're hoping within 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay. So hopefully we have an appointment for then. If not, we'll work something out to where we can get you in. And what we can probably do is maybe if it works out, if we have to get you in sooner, then maybe you schedule for a Monday, because that way we will. There's the likelihood of us having to do a lot of stuff on a Monday is not that high,
Right.
but there's always a chance that anything that comes in over the weekend or any emergencies that need to be done at that point, then we have to do those. But
Right.
there's always a good chance that Monday's kind of like our catch-up day, and so
Okay.
we might be able to work that out. But hey, come here. Let me see you.
She's like, you have a coat on? I don't know.
Okay.
Come on, come. Good. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. He's got to listen to you, Siren.
Oh my goodness.
Goodness.
She's out of it.
Come here.
She's like, I'm not liking this.
Good. He's just going to listen to you. He's just going to listen to you. See, you've done his
Yep.
Stay. Good. It's okay.
Her lungs sound okay.
Good.
Okay.
Good. Now, I have just a question for you. By her paperwork, she is 5 months. Those teeth tell me she's 12 weeks.
Mm. Yeah, I mean that she's 5 months.
Well, and that's supposed to be her breeder registration papers. But we didn't know if the heart issues would have stunted her that much.
I mean, they definitely can be stunted with this problem, but I don't know that. I mean, it's not. I don't think it's gonna influence.
Because I don't know if you've noticed, but like her feet,
Yeah.
and we've had issues with, whenever she got her, it was, even worse, and nutrition and all of that stuff. So we didn't know if all of it together may have stunted her. I mean, she's obviously very small for a 5-month-old German Shepherd.
Yeah, I don't know that I buy it.
Okay.
That she's 5 months.
Okay. I had questions because I kept looking at her teeth going, she just doesn't look 5 months old. And it's a backyard breeder basically,
Yeah.
so the papers could have been falsified.
Yeah.
But
To be honest with you, I don't really deal with that a lot with the teeth and like correlating. But I mean, to me, 5-month-old dogs should pretty much have
all of her
all the
incisors
incisors, yeah.
and the canines starting to erupt. Okay. Yeah, I was just curious.
Yeah,
because
'cause
I
when
wanted to know.
Because when I got my dog, he was 16 weeks, and he wasn't even 16 weeks, and he still had all his baby teeth.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. So 3 to 4
I would say
months old?
yeah. I would say yeah.
That's okay.
Well, and how long have we had her? 2 months?
A month. I got her on
No.
June 30th.
Okay.
Got her on June 30th.